Magluluto tayo ng chicken Afritada. Okay, now let's start by sauteing our onion and garlic. Let's saute that nicely. Oh wow, this is great. Let's release the flavors, guys. All about the flavors. Alright, this is how we want our onion. Nicely sauteed, onion and garlic. Let's add our chicken. Alright. Season it with a little black pepper. Just sprinkle it lightly. Wonderful. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Wonderful. I'm going to hit it with a little more black pepper, guys. Oh, that's great. Now we're going to hit it with some patis. Oh yeah, you know what I mean, patis. Fish sauce in English. Okay. I'm just going to let this cook up nicely. We're going to cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes. Let that cook nicely. We'll come back to this. All right. Okay, guys, this is what we want. Oh, wow. Look at this chicken. Now, you see how it shrunk nicely? It cooked really nice. Now, keep in mind, guys, depending on the size of your chicken, you want to cook it to where it looks like this as well, okay? When it shrinks, when it's clear, you don't see a lot of the red, you know your chicken is cooking, okay? You see that? All right, now, let's add our potatoes. Oh, yes. Let's add some carrots. All right. Absolutely. Let's add some red bell pepper. Oh, yes. See, you got the nice flavors coming from the bell peppers and the carrots, and some green peas. Just sprinkle that in there nicely. Wonderful. And let's put some wonderful tomato sauce in there, okay? Yes. Oh, wow. And now, let's just fold that in nicely. Okay, we want this to cook. We're gonna add our half of chicken cube. Just get that in there. All right. Let's just add a half a cup of water. Wonderful. And we're going to let this cook nicely, and all of the flavors are going to come together. All right, I'll be right back with you. Hang out with me. Oh wow, this is looking great, guys. Look at this. All right, we let this cook nicely on a medium heat. Potatoes are nice and tender. Let it cook down nicely. Make sure your potatoes are nice and tender. You give it that time. All right, wow, look at this. This is looking great. Your potatoes are nice and tender. Wow, let me get into this. Oh, smells delicious. That tastes delicious. You want to taste it, then make sure it's where you want it. Wow, this is it, guys. Chicken Afritada. Another wonderful Filipino dish. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. For those of you that are first time on my channel, please like and subscribe for more delicious videos like this. Until next time, enjoy cooking with Al. I'm gonna get me some rice. Bye, guys.